Warning information for the following counties in Nebraska: Fillmore and Thayer. High wind warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? Northwest winds sustained as high as 35 to 45 miles per hour, with gusts 55 to 65 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north-central Kansas and central, east-central, and south-central Nebraska. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: very strong winds could cause damage to trees. Localized power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles along east to west-oriented roads. Localized poor visibility will also be possible in areas of blowing dust. Additional details: following a low and high winds during the early morning, high winds will ramp up mainly after 8 a.m., initially north of Interstate 80 but then steadily overtaking the remainder of the area through the rest of the day before steadily decreasing this evening. The overall strongest winds should primarily target counties along and west of Highway 281. Watch for blowing debris and falling tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Be prepared for quickly changing visibility in possible areas of blowing dust. High wind warning information for the following counties in Nebraska: Jefferson and Saline. High wind warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? Northwest winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of southwest and west-central Iowa and east-central, northeast, and southeast Nebraska. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Secure any loose furniture or decorations before the storm. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. High wind warning information for the following counties in Kansas, Marshall, and Washington. High wind warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? Northwest winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east-central, north-central, and northeast Kansas. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.